minute.
Here's guys.
This is like even your favorite.
This is so crunchy too.
It looks like
This is
empty and guts.
Welcome to another episode with Cotton Family. So you guys, I'm going to show you guys how to make a delicious chicken wings. I'm going to be washing my chicken with some vinegar or lime and salt. You guys always have to wash your chicken. No, Sky.
No.
No, you don't need it though. Just use it for it. That's enough. Now I'm gonna close it up.
Oh, this looks like. Oh, wait. Take it out.
You guys, you're going to be a double. Let me do some. You're going to do all of it. You want me to do all of it?
Yeah.
Guys, paprika, my favorite. Powder. I'm gonna be marinating my chicken very well. I'm putting inside some chili powder. Cheers. And you guys mix it very well. You guys, you make sure you marinate, like marinate. So all the spices you put in have to be mixed up like this. We're putting it everywhere like this. That's enough. And here. Put it here. Make sure it's covered it up. You covered it up really good. Just shake it up. Alright. Make sure it sticks well, guys. No long place. Look at me. So guys, that's the first one. Now let's see this.
So it's gonna stick. The first one is gonna stick a lot.
And you guys, I'm going to keep on doing that until everything's finished. Hey guys, this is the end of that. This is how it looks like, guys. And now this is the end of that. Now I'm going to be taking it out.
This is like chicken mix.
Here's guys.
This is like even your favorite.
This is so crunchy too.
It looks like
This is
empty and guts.
So I'm peas. Peas, guys.
Please go. Okay.
Okay, guys, this is how it looks like. It looks so bomb, guys. Amen. God bless this food, bless you in the house.
I feel like I'm eating this.
I'm just eating this one.
I'm eating this.
Mmm. Mmm. Mmm.
Are you done?
Done. Up, guys. I'm eating this one.